right here we have the Taco Garage MagSafe power adapter. This works with the MagSafe Charger from Apple. This is an OEM Apple charger, and how this works is basically you take this adapter, drop your charger inside, push it in, and it fits very snug, and it has a 1-inch ball mount in the back. From there you can attach it to any 1-inch ball mount system, including our desktop multi-mount, which is installed on this Tacoma. So right now we're going to use our arms. These are designed and manufactured in-house by us again, just like the adapter. So bring it up here. It's a very simple process. Once you have this mounted, obviously this will hold your phone just with the magnets that come in any iPhone 12 or newer. There's no need for metal plates in the back of the phone. You just line it up with the magnets and it'll hold. This is good for on-road driving. It's not really meant for off-road use because the magnets are not that strong. But on-road, it's really useful because it holds your phone while charging it. Obviously, you need to plug in the cord for it to charge, but that is very simple. It's just a USB charger. And if you do buy the DMM, you get these cutouts in the back, which that's a separate video, but you can run the cable through the back and it'll give you a very clean looking dash, and you'll be able to hold your phone while charging it. All right, so we're gonna go through some speed bumps right now, just to show you that the phone holder actually does work just with the MagSafe. No plates in the back. It's just MagSafe, and this is the iPhone Pro Max. So it's the biggest iPhone, the heaviest iPhone. Let's go through some bumps. And we're at 5 miles, 10 miles. So it is pretty shaky, but still the phone holds just fine. Well, that's it. If you do have any questions, let us know, and thank you for watching.